With Duolingo, you can become a chess master. Not only solving chess puzzles, you can build your language skills, learn to play music and other things with Duolingo app. So let's get into downloading Duolingo app. Open your Play Store, click on the search button and type Duolingo. So when you do that, it's going to bring up the app for you to install on your phone. It's a free app that you can install. So just search for it on your Play Store and it comes up like this. This is how it looks in 2026. Click on install and it will be installed into your phone. Now you can use Duolingo app whether you have registered an account or not. So just click on open. You can start playing and learning chess with it without even having an account, although building a profile is good. So click on get started. If you already have an account, you can click on already have account. So this is the first thing you see. Hi, I'm Do. You click on continue and then answer the few questions that it will ask you, which you are going to see here. Now say, what would you like to learn? This is for French speakers. Now for English speakers or other languages, just click on this arrow to compress this French part, or you just scroll down, you see for English speakers. You can still scroll down and see other languages. Now I'm going to just compress it, but what we want to learn is not language but how to play chess from beginner to a pro level. So I'm just going to scroll past all these Chinese speakers, Arabic speakers and the rest of them and find my own stuff. But you have to, if English is your first language, you have to choose for English speakers, so that because any other thing you are learning is going to be displayed in that language. So for chess, I'm going to click on chess and click on continue down here. Now you say, how much do you know chess? I'm a total beginner, so I'll click on that. So even if you know nothing about it, so I'm going to start from scratch, and then it's going to take me to lesson 1. So now you can see that it's going to teach you in such a way that you, like, this is the rook. It has shown you the direction of the arrow for you to move. You say it moves in a what? Straight line. Now straight line in any direction. So even if you make a mistake, you are going to see all the corrections like at the end of each lesson, even if you make a mistake. So it's going to teach you about the names of the chess items, the stuffs you use to play. Is going to teach you the movement, how to combine the different set pieces, and how to move your solve all the puzzles and all of that. So this is just lesson 1 and you can see the tips it's giving you. For me, what I usually do is when I'm learning this, I come with a notebook so that I can be jotting the key terms. Like now this is the bishop. The bishop moves diagonally. You know what diagonal means, like X. So you can see anytime you want to move it, it's going to show you different directions that it can move and the ones that it cannot move. So even if you make mistake, it's just a game and you will correct it and master it as you go. So this is just a fun way of learning how to play chess, even if you have no knowledge of chess. Like when I mean no knowledge, like zero knowledge, you don't know how the rook looks, you don't know how the bishop looks, you don't know how the queen looks, you don't know how the king looks. It's going to show you all of that. Now even how to combine, like now we are combining bishop and the rook. You can see that it will tell you, with your rook and bishop, capture the stars in 3 moves. Now if you move more than 3, you fail it, but failure is not the end of the game. You continue and you will be able to do what? Correct your mistakes. So because mistakes are part of learning. So this is just for lesson 1. Anytime we are done, you will get your scores and the jubilations that are for that. So now anytime you open your app again, you can just click on the this icon and just search, just go through the lessons. You are going to see that it's not just that first lesson that is available to you. There are a lot of lessons that are available to you when you scroll down. So I'm just going to click on any of the units so that it will bring it out in a more concise way, so that you see what it's available in store for you. There is a lot, like when I mean a lot, you can learn using Duolingo app. So I'm just going to click on that place. You can see section 1, learn the basic rules, how the pieces move, develop basic tactics like pins and forks. Section 2, carry out skewers and escape pins. Section 3, practice decoy tactics and intermediate move, strengthen strategic thinking and pawn endangerment, use a bishop and pair and all of that. So that is it. Now you want to learn other things in Duolingo. Once you open it and it's like this, now there are other places that I'm going to show you. Let's say for instance you want to play chess with a human being or with a computer. Then you click on this place, play with Oscar, or play with a person. You invite someone, maybe your friend. You can invite your friend and play chess with your friend on the app. Now this is quest, your daily quest and strict. Then this is your leaderboard. People using the app all over the world will be shown here as they complete their lessons. You can also upgrade your account to Duolingo Pro. They have a pro account for a shekeli amount of money if you want. This is the feed where you see all the news and the rest of them. Then you can edit your profile. You can create a profile and sign in using your Gmail and all of that. So that is that. Now assuming you want to move to another lesson, so you click on that place, you can learn a language or other things. So that's just it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos.